Your words, attitude, and actions have made such a positive difference in our children's education. We are very grateful to you. According to the Dr. Abdul Kalam, if a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. Anatole France says that the whole art of teaching is only the art of awakening the natural curiosity of young minds for the purpose of satisfying it afterwards. After our parents, it is the teacher who inculcates good values and wisdom into our lives. They play a very important role in every student's life. Words are not enough to express our gratitude to our teachers. Therefore we dedicate 5th of September to all our beloved teachers who have taught us something about life and helped us to become a better individuals. World Teachers Day, also known as International Teachers Day, is an international day held annually on October 5th. Is dedicated to improving the working conditions, appreciating, assessing, and improving the educators of the world, and to provide an opportunity to consider issues related to teachers and teaching of all educators. Teachers help guide kids on the right path throughout school. So this day is also a cause for celebration and appreciation as much as awareness. On October 1966, the International Labour Organization and the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, marked a proposal concerning the situation with teachers. This direction is expected to target and examine the status and circumstances of educators across the world. From their functioning circumstances, enrollment, privileges, and obligations, this memorable suggestion set an exclusive expectation of training in the working environment. To perceive this huge commemoration and honor the marking of the 1966 record, UNESCO made Worldwide Teachers Day in 1994. The center is pointed principally at the issues looked at by educators and the objectives illustrated in the suggestion. Being a teacher can be a troublesome yet compensating position. World Teachers Day 2022 is a great chance to respect the difficult work and commitment, everything being equal. This is a motivating calling that leaves an enduring effect on each youngster's life, regardless of how huge or little it might appear. If you want to honor your teacher, there are many ways to do this. We recommend finding a thoughtful way to say thank you for all they have done, and they are sure to love it. One of the easiest ways to celebrate World Teachers Day is to show your teachers just how important and special they are to you. Whether that's buying them a gift, creating a keepsake that they'll love, or just being extra kind, this day is about demonstrating how grateful you are for the education you received. To celebrate World Teachers Day, mounts a campaign each year to help give the world better understanding of teachers and the role they play in the development of students and society. They partner with the private sector such as media organizations to achieve this purpose. The campaign focuses on different themes for every year. We tend to somehow forget our revered teachers who have been the building blocks of where we are today. So on this day, let us remember all our mentors and teachers and send them a gratitude message for playing such an important role in our lives. Dear teachers, without your guidance and wisdom, we would not be where we are now. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day. Your wisdom, dedication, and kindness will always lead us on the right path and inspire us to be better human beings.